So did you get the alert which says RCM A003, or you might have got alert on on a touch screen that restraint system restraint safety system fault. So this is a generic alert, and there could be couple of reasons for this alert. And to find out the exact cause of this alert, we can provide a remote diagnosis. And with the help of remote diagnosis, it's possible to find out what's the exact reason for this alert, and we can help you how to fix it or how to clear it. So depend on the issue, we could help you. So you could get this kind of alert on main screen. So recently we had one customer who had got this alert. So we performed the remote diagnosis, and after the remote diagnosis, we found out that he had two alert, which was like RCM A17 and RCM A16. So with the help of remote diagnosis, we find out the what was the exact issue, and then we particularly in this case, so there could be a couple of reasons. So particularly in this case, even for this alert, there are more couple reason what could be the reason and how to fix it, and depend on diagnosis we can tell you like how to fix that and blah blah blah. So particularly for this case, there was some connector which were loose, and this customer had a recently accident and he had performed some repair work. Then he contacted us and we provided remote diagnosis, and we help customer to fix those connectors, and after putting those connectors in a correct way, issue got resolved. So in case if you are looking for to fix RCM alert or any Tesla alert, please feel free to contact us. We provide remote diagnosis and support to clear different Tesla alerts. So you could visit our website, which is a carrepairservice.com, and here you will find all around Tesla alerts, repairs, and services. Or you could just write us on WhatsApp, and we will be happy to provide you support. So what do you need to do now? Now you could just have a look in the description and comment, and you will find the link to book this service and our WhatsApp number. So please feel free to contact us. We will be happy to provide you support. Thank you so much. We are looking forward to help you.